Hello and welcome back to another Mahner Farms video. Today we're going to be recording some combine footage. It's that time of year and beans are rolling, so we got lots of combines in the field. And today I'm going to be showing you a Case IH New Holland combo, taking out some rather dry beans. So let's just enjoy that video. The combine I'm showing you today is the Case IH Axial Flow 7230. This combine was built between 2012 and 2014. It uses a Fiat Powertrain Technologies 8.7-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at 380 horsepower with approximately 440 horsepower at maximum with boost. The grain tank on this combine holds about 315 bushels and the unloading rate is about 4 bushels per second with a standard unloading auger length of 28 feet 9 inches. The fuel capacity is 264 gallons of diesel and the diesel exhaust fluid capacity is 40.8 gallons. The single rotor measures 30 inches in diameter. The cleaning area is 10,075 square inches, and the cross-flow plus fan operates from 300 to 1,150 revolutions per minute. The maximum road speed of this combine is approximately 20 miles per hour. Emissions meet Tier 4A standards. The feeder house is 54 inches wide. The grain tank covers could be manual or folding depending on options when purchased, and the machine came guidance ready with factory yield and moisture monitoring. The original manufacturer suggested retail price typically ranged from $330,000 to $487,000 depending on options and region. The header on this combine is not exactly easy to pin down because I wasn't able to see a model designation, but based on the size and style of it, I would say it's the New Holland 73C Flex Auger platform, and I believe this is the 35-foot length. So the New Holland 73C is a flexible grain platform with a 35-foot cutting width in this case. Production for the 73C family was approximately 2001 through 2006. The head uses a full-width auger with retractable fingers and a 6-bat reel rather than side draper belts. It was built in single knife and double knife versions, with double drive used on later serial numbers beginning around serial number PNL 018301. Common cutting widths for this header are between 25 feet, 30 feet, and 35 feet. Like I said, I believe this is the 35-foot model. The flexible cutter bar is designed for low cutting in soybeans and other short crops, and the head can be fitted to New Holland and Case IH combines with the appropriate adapter and single-point hookups on many units. The original manufactured suggested retail price was about $42,000 in 2006. This video was filmed in Taylor County, Wisconsin, near Medford, Wisconsin, and in that county and area, the practical soybean growing season runs from about May 18th to September 26th in Medford, giving roughly 130 to 135 frost-free days. As of October 2025, nearby north central Wisconsin cash soybean bids were generally in the $9.15 to $9.45 per bushel range. In 2023, the USDA county estimate for Taylor County soybean yield was 45.8 bushels per acre, up from 41.4 bushels per acre in 2022. This sets the practical gross profit range before seed, fertilizer, fuel, labor, machinery, and land costs of $419.07 to $432.81 per acre, assuming average yields. But that does it for this video, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll stick around and see what else we have to share. We've got a corn harvest coming up here this fall, and potentially a lot more cool and exciting stuff. Definitely want you to subscribe, stick around, and do anything else you can to help the channel, like, comment, or share the video. But that's all for today, and we'll see you next time.